It was good, it's your boy Arti Creator, and today I'm gonna show you how to make your own Instagram filter for a few minutes. Let's go! First thing you need to do is to go and download this Spark AR app. This is the app for creating Instagram filters. I'll leave a link for you down below in the description so you just can download it from this beautiful website. So you download it and launched it. Let's see what we have. So here's the templates we have. So for head decoration, color filter, neck decoration, all these things, you can check it, but I will show you how to make your own customized filter. Let's go and press blank project. Okay, let's go. So we have this dude over here. You can change people here, or you can use your web camera. Oh wow, you can use this camera too. So first thing you need is face tracker, add, boom, face mesh. Okay, you probably seen filters with pink objects around your face, so I will make something like this right now. So for the next steps, you need to download face assets from the Spark AR site. I'll leave link in the description so you can download it, but you can find it right here. Help download face assets. Okay, let's go. Yes, download the face reference assets here. Okay, let's go. Now you open it up and you can find here textures and mesh. For now you need textures. After that you open the Photoshop or anything like that and drop here. Here's the woman face and man face. All we need is icon. So best icons we have in the world. Here's add flat icon. Okay, flat icon. So what we need is a star. I wanted to add star. We would have star like this. Download it. Okay, so we are gonna use our star for this favorite. Okay, let's go. It's gonna be white. It is gonna be white. Okay, let's go. Boom. Arti Creator, just to have it right here. Make this layer invisible, and after that we need to go to file to save that. File, export, quick export in PNG. Export this, export, and drop it here to Spark AR. Now we should make a new material. Let's call it star. And you can choose whatever you want. You can play with it. We add in alpha, and here we choose in face, feminine, or file, whatever it calls. And after that, using our face mesh and plus materials, star. We just created a star, and now we have our designs. But if you need to change your color like that, boom, wow, what is that? Boom, wow, green, purple, green, magenta, wow, that's a lot. So you can play with these things around here, like change shader type to standard, but I would like to add like that, like this, like just play with it, you know. Let's go change it without Arti editor. It's just a placeholder, you know. So now we have only stars. Let's go and add retouch to make soft skin. Okay, let's go. Face tracker, boom, face mesh, boom, material, create new material. Let's call this retouch. Retouching. Okay, now you can see super duper smoothing skin. Super duper, you can see the difference. So you can play it here too, like however you want. And now you have your own customized, beautiful, soft skin filter. If you think that information was useful for you, you can support me on Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon. On Buy Me a Coffee, you can donate me any amount of money you think would be fair for this information. But on Patreon, you can become my patron and have access to all projects, assets, templates, files, and any different things I'm using in my videos. You will have access to private community of filter creators that can help you with any questions you have. That's a wow! Also, you will have early access to my videos, behind the scenes content, and shoutouts in my videos on YouTube. You wanna know about that? Link in the description. Buy me coffee for donate, and Patreon for project files and all the files I use in my videos, private community of filter creators, and all the stuff you need for your filters. I'm waiting for you guys. If you like that video, smash that like button, and please subscribe to my channel. It's super duper important for me. If you want to know more about sparkly art things, you can check out my channel. It was your boy Arti Creator. Peace.